Welcome, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIAV Sumi School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 7. My dear students, our today's topic is chapter 9, construction 2. That means we will discuss about the construction 2, and your lecture number is 28. Okay, your homework number is 20. Your homework is exercise 9.3. You have to solve 1 to 9. These are your MCQ questions. Okay, you have to solve these questions on your HW copy. Now, my dear students, read out the construction 2. I have already written the question here. The construction 2 is: a triangle is to be constructed when the two sides and the angle included between them are given. That means in a triangle there are two sides and one angle between the two sides is given. We need to construct that triangle. Okay, so first of all we should write down the general enunciation. In the solution we should write down at first general enunciation. Okay, general enunciation. General enunciation is what? General enunciation is the copy of the question. Okay, that means we should write down in general enunciation the two sides and the angle, included between them. That means the two sides are given. We need to draw the triangle. Okay, we need to draw the triangle. This is our general enunciation. Now we should construct here the construction, and after that we should write down the particular enunciation. Okay, after the general enunciation we should write down the particular enunciation. Before this particular enunciation we should draw here. Okay, so we should keep a space here. Okay, now we should write down here particular enunciation. Particular enunciation is more about the question. Okay, particular enunciation is more about the question. In the particular enunciation, we should write down the two sides. Okay, we should indicate the two sides. Suppose the two sides are here. Okay, suppose the two sides are given here. These are the two sides. Okay, this one is a side and this one is another side. Okay, and the angle included between them is given. Suppose this is the angle is given of the triangle. We need to draw that triangle. Okay, dear students, now look, suppose it's A, this length is A, this length is B, and this angle's name is suppose X. Okay, now in the particular enunciation we should write down the two sides A and B. The two sides A and B. These two sides A and B, and the angle X. The angle X included between A and B. Between A and B is given. We wish to draw the triangle. Okay, we wish to draw the triangle. Okay, now in this gap we should draw the required triangle here. Okay, and we should write down the description of the construction after that. Okay, the drawings description. Now we draw here the triangle. To draw the triangle, first of all we will assume a ray here. Okay, a big ray, and you know that ray has a end point, another point has no end point. Okay, that means this is a ray. Suppose at first this is a ray. This ray's name is suppose BD. From the ray BD, we should cut the length of a side A. That means we should cut this length. How, my dear students? We should use the pencil compass here. Okay, take equal of this, and we should cut from BD. We should cut BC. We should cut BC is equal to A. Okay, BC, this point is C. Okay, we should cut BC from the ray BD is equal to A. Now at the point B or at the point C, we can draw the angle X. Okay, in your book the angle is here in the C point. Okay, I will construct that angle in the point B. Okay, the different way I should solve it. Now dear students, suppose B is our center now, and in B we should draw an angle is equal to X. How we can draw this one? Look, first of all, this, you know that how to draw a equal angle. Okay, it's so easy to draw an equal angle in a point. Now in the point B we should draw the angle is equal to the X. Okay, this is equal. Now cut this one, and now this one is we need to join. These 2 points we need to join and increase this one. Okay, so this will be our angle X. Now in the description we should write down, we should draw CBE. Suppose this is E. Okay, suppose this is E. Now we draw what? CBE equal to the angle X at the point B. Okay, after that from BE ray we should cut the length is equal to B. How we can cut this one? We will use again the pencil compass here. We should take as the length of the same radius. Now we should cut this one. Okay, suppose this arc cut the BE ray at the point A. This point is A. Now after that we should join A and C. We should join AC, the point AC. If we join the point AC, we will get the required triangle ABC. The triangle ABC is our required triangle because this angle X is equal to this angle X, and the 2 sides, this side is equal to A, this side is equal to B. So in these 2 sides included angle is X is also here. That means this is our required triangle. But we need to write down the description of the construction. So write down here drawing. Okay, drawing. What is the drawing here? First of all we cut BC from any ray BD, right? So write down cut off BC is equal to A from any ray BD. That means from any ray BD we should cut off at first BC equal to A. This is the length of A. After that we should do what? Then take B as center. Take B as center and draw angle CBE. Angle CBE is equal to the angle X. Equal to angle X. Okay. From the ray BE we should cut off. Now again cut off BA, that's equal to B from the ray BE. That means from the ray BE we should cut off BA is equal to B, the length B. Okay. After that we should join AC. Join the points A, C. Okay. Therefore, A, B, C will be our required. ABC will be our required triangle. My dear students, you can take help from your book for writing the description of the drawing, okay, and you can write down by yourself by arranging the language. It's so easy to write down the description of drawing, because if you can draw the construction, then it will be very easy, because the drawing is nothing but the description of this drawing. Okay, so you can write down the description by yourself, and you have the homework. Your homework is number 20, and I have discussed it previous already. That means you should do question number 1 to 9. This is your MCQ question from your book, and exercise number 9.3. Please, my dear student, do your SW very carefully and submit your SW in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. I hope you have understood my lecture. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.